guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. Today we're going to be trying the Makartt Life of a Rose Polygel Kit. This is also like a red polygel kit. Okay, so here is what the packaging looks like. Here's what you first see when you open up the kit. First of all, you get the instructions. Next, we have some dual forms. I think these are a mixture of straight dual forms and curved ones. Next, we have a 100 and 180 grit hand file. Next, we have a polygel brush, and it's the color red. Next, we have base coat and top coat. And now, the polygels. Okay, so you get 4 different polygels. The first color you get is called Bud. This is the first color. Ooh, this is like a really hot pink. The next color is called Hip. Is that a part of the rose? This one is a red. It reminds me of a candy red. The next color is called Bloom. And then the last color is called Wilted. Okay, so I take it back. These aren't really like red shades. These are just rose colors. Okay, so here are all the colors. They have a hot pink, a nice candy red, a really nice light pink. I can use that for like a nude. And then this like dark purple. And let's just get right into this nail set. Okay, so here are my natural nails. I'm gonna first start off with some nail prep. So push back the cuticles. Okay, next I'm just going to be taking my cuticle scissors and I'm going to trim off this excess dead skin from around the cuticle area. Okay, next I'm just going to trim off the excess nail growth. And then I'm just going to take my hand file and smooth out the nails. Okay, now I'm going to take my fine grit sanding band and I'm just going to remove the shine. And I'm also going to try my best to work this around the cuticle area. Okay, so I got my nail tips all sized out and I'm just going to glue these on with some base coat. Okay, so once all the nail tips are glued on, I'm just going to get them reshaped and trimmed down. Okay, so now that all the nail tips are shaped up, I'm gonna go in with some base coat. I'm gonna put a layer of base coat on each of the nails. Okay, so let's just get right into this polygel application. I have all my colors here and I'm just going to be putting them on my like mixing plate because we're doing marbled nails and I like to have all my colors like laid out like this so that I can like scoop them up little by little and then put them on the nail. That's just the way that I do marble nails. So I'm just putting all the colors together and kind of making them go in one direction. That way it's a little more uniformed, but you know, marble nails, they kind of turn out however they want to turn out. For this nail set, I really wanted to do like glittery, obviously, you know, like the pinks and reds from the Polygel Kit, but I really wanted glitter. I wanted to incorporate the glitter snowflakes somehow, and I think this was a really nice, subtle way to do that because I didn't want to do fully winter nails yet, so I think this was a nice way to add just a little touch of winter with the snowflakes. So after the pointer finger, I'm moving on to the middle finger. And what I did was I added some of the glitters at the bottom of the nail first because I wanted them to show through the clear polygel, and I really liked that. So I didn't do that for the pointer finger, but I did it on the rest of the nails. The hardest thing with marble is like smoothing out the nail after you have all the lumpy polygel on there. Like that's the hardest part. But if you just keep patting it in place, it should eventually, you know, start to look better. I'm very excited for Christmas winter sets. I have a couple things from last Christmas that I didn't get to use, like for the nails. So I'm excited to use them now. For example, I got these tiny jingle bell charms. So you could like, you know, attach it to the nail and it'll be like a charm dangle. And it's a jingle bell and it was so cute. And I really wanted to use it last year, but I didn't get the chance. So this year I'm definitely using those. So my camera cut out right here. So this is what I have done so far. I did the middle finger, I encapsulated that with clear polygel, and then I did the ring finger with that light pink nude color, and now I'm just doing the pinky nail. This is a really quick short video for you guys. I hope you don't mind. I really wanted to get this video done. Anyway, for this kit, I really love these colors. I just think they're all so cute, and I think they worked really nicely together. I didn't use the like magenta, dark reddish purple color, but I really wanted to use the red, that candy red color, but I didn't. But I also wanted to use the hot pink. So you see, this is my predicament all the time. I always want to use more than one color, but I never know how to use them. So I just did marble because it's always a good way to use all the colors. After all the polygel's on, I'm going to go and reshape these nails. And while I was shaping these nails, this hasn't happened to me before, but they popped off. I use a peel off base coat, which is just cuticle oil and top coat. And this has never happened to me before. Like they haven't popped off while I was shaping them when they have the polygel on them already. But today for this hand, it did. So I just glued them back on. Here are how the nails are looking after they are all shaped, and now I'm just going to be adding on some nail decoration. So if you guys are interested in this Makartt Life of a Rose Polygel Kit, it is available on Amazon and it is on sale for $20. Yes please. And I'm actually seeing right now that all the colored like theme polygel kits from Makartt are on sale. They're all $20 right now on Amazon, that is actually really good. They have this red polygel kit, the blue, green, purple, and pink polygel kit are all on sale for $20. Definitely go check it out right now. I'm not sure exactly how long the sale is lasting. It might just be for Cyber Monday. They're $20, which is a really good price for these kits. This is the perfect time. If you want to get some gifts for your friends or family, this is the perfect time. You can use the link in my description. I'll link all of the different colored polygel kits in my description because $20 is a really good deal, so I definitely recommend that. Just adding top coat to the last nail, and then I'm going to be adding on some cuticle oil. And here are how the nails turned out. Let me know what you guys think of this nail set in the comments. I really like this nail set. It reminds me for some reason of Hello Kitty. I really love all the glitter and I really love these polygel colors. I really love the heart gems on this nail set. I never got to use heart gems before, so this was like something new to try, and I really like how they look on there. I was planning to do a big gem design like down the middle of the nail using these heart gems, and I just like how it's just the heart gems. I don't know why, but I kind of wish I did these nails stiletto. I don't know, I just really want to do some long stiletto nails. I might do that in my next video. I don't know. I'm just really wanting to do some stiletto nails. I wish I did it for this nail set. I think that would look really cute. that's pretty much it for this video. It was a really quick video. I hope you guys enjoyed this pink glitter marble nail set. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you all next time. Bye!